Today in our 2016 Chevy Silverado 3500, we're going to be taking a look at showing you how to install the Curt fifth wheel gooseneck custom wiring harness with 7-pole connector. Part number C56070. Now this is what you're going to get in your kit. You're going to get your 7-way adapter, the plug that plugs into your 7-way adapter. These are going to be the plugs that you run down to the bottom that plug into your existing wiring. And you're going to have 4 self-tapping screws to mount this on your bed. First thing we're going to do is we're going to hook our 7-way right here on the inside of the bed. We're going to drill a pilot hole, a 1/2-inch pilot hole. The reason is when we cut the hole out, you don't want this bit to bend. If you do that, then it wallows out the hole. So we're going to drill a pilot hole. So next what we're going to do is we're going to drill in a 2-inch hole for our adapter. I'm going to take a vacuum, kind of clean all this up. I'm just going to take some clear coat to cover up this metal here so it kind of gives it a little bit of protection and kind of keep it from rusting. We'll let that dry just a minute. We're going to feed our T-connector down through the hole like this. We're going to take this end and we're going to hook it into our 7-way. Next what we're going to do is we're going to put our self-tapping screws in to hold this base for our 7-way on it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our wiring, we're going to pass it up over top of our frame here. Next we're going to remove this. So we're going to pull this little black tab in here. We're going to push in on it and pull out. You want to take your T connector end. Click it till it snaps. You're going to take your other end and you're going to put it in the place of the one you just took off. So now what we're going to do with our extra wiring that we have left over, we're going to throw a couple zip ties around it. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to zip tie it right up here to some existing wiring from the factory. Now that we have all of our wiring hooked up, we'll go ahead and test it. We have our running lights, our brake lights, left blinker, right blinker. Now let's test out the existing plug from the factory. Running lights, brake lights, left turn, right turn. And that'll do it for the Curt fifth wheel gooseneck custom wiring harness with 7-pole connector, part number C56070 on our 2016 Chevy Silverado 3500.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.